Hi, I'm Lou,
And I'm Al.
and
And
together
together
we're
we're
Luau
Luau
Games.
Games. Never gets old. We're a two-person indie studio from Switzerland and are currently working on I Doesn't Exist. I Doesn't Exist is a modern text adventure. Modern because we don't just have visuals, although text is still very much the main mechanic of the game. We're also using AI to parse the input of the player. So rather than not being able to write, like grab, you can do that and more. You can really express yourself however you want to.
You can try it out yourself in a demo right now on Steam, where you can wishlist the game as well. And in this demo, you will see that you're in this weird forest where you can command your avatar around through the text input. At the end of the demo, you'll see that the rest of the game will reveal itself, but we don't want to spoil you too much on that. So let's talk a little bit about what we've been doing so far. Al and I wear many hats in game development as we are only two developers, so we dabble in a lot of different stuff, but I am the lead artist. I don't just do all of the art and animation though, I also have an ongoing fight with our camera and the shaders. So let's see what we've been doing there. We use two cameras to capture both art and UI nicely because in the past pixels looked like this. And we don't want squiggly pixels. So now with this two camera setup, we have a lot more control over how everything looks, and we can also experiment with different post-processing options and animations, and a lot more. I also worked on this new shader for the trees and bushes so it looks like they move in the wind. And yeah, I know the pixels aren't perfect here anymore, and I just talked about how I worked so long on making our pixels be nice and square. But I realized that achieving this would be a huge task and time I'd rather invest into the narrative. Because honestly, I think it looks good.
Meanwhile, as the lead programmer, I've been completely redoing the AI. Yep, you heard that right. Our current AI needs the player to be online all the time, and we really don't want to make players do that. Not to mention, we have no interest in making people worried we do something with their data or whatever. So I've been cobbling together different Python libraries, natural language models, transformers, dictionaries, part of speech tagging, sentiment analysis, lemmatization, word vectors, and then also because I'm a bitch, it takes a really long time. And you know what you will be able to do now? You won't have to specifically write turn on radio. You will be able to use turn radio on. Compound words, baby. It's a little thing, but it goes a long way. Like people who've played old school text adventures will know.
So that's all for us. We're just happily chugging along with the DreadXP family. We also stream sometimes if you want to see our awkwardness live.
Look at this, dudes.
Oh my god, okay, Maeve is not that chunky. That's like almost unhealthy.
Oh, it's definitely unhealthy.
We also have a Twitter, which you can follow to stay up to date with us. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
Meanwhile, as the lead. Have fun editing this, I'm sorry.
Make everything just a little more fun.